Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can run EXE files on Android. So if you ever wanted to run a PC app on your Android phone, today in this video, I'll show you how you can open the EXE files on Android the safe and easy way. So first step, you need to understand the limitations because Android doesn't support EXE files natively, but we can use third-party tools like DOSBox or Wine to get around that. And step 2, you can just install the app. You can go to the Play Store or just install Wine. Wine is not an emulator or DOSBox, so these apps help simulate a Windows-like environment on Android. Here, let's just search for, I don't know if it's Wine is on the Play Store. I think not. So you need to go to the browser and go to the Wine official website. This one, winehq.org, or you can also use DOSBox. You can find it on the Play Store. So just install by clicking on download and install the latest Wine apps. After that, you can just open the Wine applications and allow permissions, and it will load a Windows-like interface. And after that, you can just tap on the file manager. Here you can go to files, for example Google Files, and then find the EXE files that you want. This one from here, this one in here, for example, you can just tap on the file, tap on open file, and if the file app is compatible, it will start right up. And for smoother performance, you need to use a phone with good RAM and processing power, and avoid using EXE files from untrusted sources. And that's it. Now you know how you can run EXE files on Android like a pro. So I'm going to sum up again. You can just choose between the emulator apps from Play Store or their official websites like Wine. After that, you can install it on your device and run the EXE files using that app. So I hope this will be helpful for you, especially if you want to run some PC apps on your Android devices. Thank you so much for watching. Smash that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. And also don't forget to click on the thanks. Bye.